This is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I'm going to quickly demonstrate that you can enter the high resolution camera mode on this device. So that's a very simple thing to do. You can either enter it by going into photo mode, then expanding the options by tapping at the three vertical dots, and switch the high res value to high. Actually change the icon, and as you can see, now the pictures that we will take will be shot at the 100 megapixels resolution, or using the 100 megapixels rather. So as you can see, I can zoom into an object and see a fair amount of details. And if I'll go into the picture's details, you'll also see that it has been taken in a resolution of 8688 by 11584. I don't know. Well, let's put it that way. Its dimensions are, or resolution is, 8688 by 11584. So that sounds better. So I guess that would be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.